Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, how y'all doing? This your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and I'm back with this Sunday dinner video. Okay, I'm not gonna be in camera today because I just didn't feel like getting myself together to even be on camera, but I'm on camera. Okay, y'all hear me, y'all see what I'm gonna be doing, and I hope y'all is having a blessed day. And I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. I love each and every one of you guys, and I hope y'all is having a good day with family, friends, or even by yourself, however it may go. But I hope today is a good day for you. It's already blessed because God allowed you to wake up and see this day, and I just thank God for allowing me to wake up and see this day, and even to make this delicious meal for my family. So y'all want to see what I'm cooking? Y'all stick around. Now you know this just gonna be a piece video. It's not gonna be the full recipe now of everything together. So within the week going along, or the days going by, however you want to put it, y'all gonna get these recipes to each and every one of these dishes that I made. Now the pork roast right here, you ain't gonna get the recipe to that because you already got it. This is that pork roast. I want to say that I put it in a crock pot. Yeah, and I prepared it ahead of time, and stuck it in my freezer. So I'm not gonna give you the recipe on this because you already got it, but you're gonna get the recipe on the northern beans, on this pig feet, and I'm gonna make some hoe cakes. So that's what y'all gonna get the recipes on. So y'all be looking out for that, okay? And I want to thank y'all for just supporting your girl. I'm getting on up there, and I'm just so grateful and thankful for each and every one of you guys. All right, y'all. So let's get to this video. Y'all, here go my roast. I'm up here chewing because I done tasted it. But y'all, they look good, don't it? And I had already cooked this, so you already got the recipe on it. I'm just showing y'all what it looks like once you take it out your freezer and put it back in the oven or whatever. This was already cooked and everything. Only thing I did was put it in the oven to heat it up. And when y'all look at that gravy that's on it, the carrots and the potatoes, and it's tender, y'all, which you already know it is, but look at that, it's tender. The potatoes, they still whole, but they tender. The carrots, then this is the pepperoncini. That's some of them right there, and it gives it a good flavor. So I just wanted to come and show y'all the roast. Okay, so the pigtails is done, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break this up and I'm gonna add them to my lima beans. Now some people, they probably don't do that, but not my lima beans, my northern beans. Now, like I was saying, some people probably don't do it, but I do because I want to have some meat throughout those northern beans, you know. And everybody's gonna have some meat, y'all. So yeah. And plus, if I do it like this, my husband, he'll eat it because he don't know what it is. So, and the bones is okay to stay in there. Just doing it.
I will back in the days, bro. I told you, bro, you had no leather, man. You got your leather, bro.
Y'all, that look good, and it tastes good too. I had taste me a piece. Okay, so there you go. Now, okay, so I got my pot of beans. Now I'm gonna take all this meat and dump it right on in there. Season these up good. I forgot to tell y'all, if y'all got some bell peppers, you want to add it to it, you can most definitely do that. Now look. Ooh, child. Y'all look at them beans. That's the beans, y'all. Alright, y'all, now look. These pig feet is done, y'all. They is done. Look at them. They tender and everything. So look, I don't want them to be where they just all the meat and skin and stuff just falling off the bone, but I want them tender, and y'all can tell they tender. I'm gonna show you if you don't believe me, honey. Yes, they is tender. Look at them. Ooh, child. I ain't trying to pull hard because I don't want to slap me, but yes, look at that. And I don't taste it, but I'm gonna taste this little piece since it came off. Y'all, they're tender. Ooh, hot. So, I told y'all I was gonna add a little secret to this here. You know? Now I know some of y'all gonna be like, no, don't do that. Don't add that there. No, you're gonna mess up. No, don't add it. Don't do it, T. But I am. A little extra, a little something. And look at that. This done created. Look at that, look at y'all. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Can't sell it in the store, but if I could, I sure would stick it right on the shelf. You hear me? Some pig feet liquor. Y'all think it'll be a hit? So, yeah, I'm gonna let them sit down in that though. And they just gonna take on that flavor. I'm gonna give it a taste. Taste that liquor. And that's it for the pig feet, y'all. And that tastes good. Get me another little piece right here. Taste it. And that gives me as well. Yes. So, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned how to make some pig feet. And if you want to make them barbecue, only thing you got to do is take them out of this broth and put you some barbecue sauce on them. And put that barbecue sauce all over them bad boys. Stick it in the oven, let it get sticky. That's what I wanted to do. But they didn't want them like that today. They just wanted them plain. So I gave them what they wanted. Okay, so this is the yellow rice that I made to go with this Sunday meal. Y'all, I got the yellow rice done. I got my northern beans done over here. I got my pig feet done right here. I got my roast. I already showed y'all that. But I'll show you again if you need to see it. Hold on 1 second. Here go that roast. Ooh, with them potatoes, them carrots, them pepperoni peppers. And all with some gravy on it. Ooh, y'all. Y'all just don't know. This Sunday meal finna be so good. Okay, so this is the first batch that came up. And I got some more that done went down. Right here. And I will be back when they are done. When all of them is done, y'all. Okay? Grandma finna tell y'all what she think about these whole cakes, y'all. Once you chew that up. What you think about it, Grandma?
They is too.
They good? Is they too sweet? Is they moist? Is they soft? Is they, what they taste like?
They moist.
She said they moistened now. I ain't telling y'all these gonna be some pretty whole cakes now. I hope y'all got the memo on that part there now. They ain't gonna be pretty, but they gonna be good. They ain't gonna be burnt.
You eat that, you want more.
So that's gonna be a plus of it. It ain't burnt, okay? It ain't burnt now. Look at that. Ooh, child. What child? Who y'all know makes on that look like that? What child? Yes. What child? Look what do you. They show up with plates. Ain't burnt. She ain't come with him either. He come with him some plates. Come get some food.
Two.
Your mom.
He know he wrong.
My old lady's cleaning up.
Cleaning up. I'm cooking. She could have showed up.
We had a party last night.
I know I wasn't in the video, and I still didn't want to come in the video, but I just did this for y'all. Y'all, I'm looking rough. Y'all don't get to talk about me now. But anyway, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching my video. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all having a blessed day. I hope y'all bellies is getting full. I hope y'all having fun with family, and I hope y'all is just enjoying. Peace and blessings and love to each and every one of you guys. And if you by yourself, I love you. Okay? I love you guys. I love all of y'all. So y'all have a good one. Happy Sunday.